Hello everyone, this is Nagam and today we're talking about muscles set of actions. In this video, we are explaining some terms that are used to describe muscles according to their work or action. The first term that can be used to describe a muscle is the word flexor. Flexors are those muscles that bend the joint when they contract, while extensors do the opposite action. They straighten the joint when they contract. In the figure shown on the screen, the biceps acts as a flexor muscle because when it contracts, the arm is bent at the elbow joint, while the triceps is described as an extensor muscle because when it contracts, the arm straightens. The third term that we are explaining today is agonist or prime mover. The agonist muscle is the one that produces any type of movement by its contraction. The arm on the screen moved and was bent due to the contraction of the biceps. So in this case, the biceps can be called agonist or prime mover muscle. So the question is, can I use two words to describe one muscle? The answer is yes. In the bent arm, the biceps was responsible for bending the arm, so they can be described as flexors. And because they started the whole movement of the arm, so they can be described as agonist or prime movers as well. As we all know, muscles work in pairs and in opposite directions. The muscle that works in the opposite direction of the agonist is called the antagonist. The arm on the screen is straight due to the contraction of the triceps. The triceps was responsible for that movement, so it is called the agonist muscle, while the antagonist that is assisting from the opposite direction will be the biceps. The fifth term that we are talking about today is fixator. Fixator muscles are sometimes referred to as stabilizers, and they are muscles that provide stability in the moving part of the body to prevent any unwanted movement. In this figure, biceps are responsible for moving and bending the arm, and the other fixator muscles are helping in providing stability while bending.